Now that you have the SDC module, the SDC VIB installed on an ESX, you want to register the ESX with the ScaleIO system. So registering and connecting the ESX SDC to the ScaleIO storage system. You'll have to do it in a few steps. So the first thing you want to do is you want to check that you have connectivity, and you can see the commands here. You want to check that you have connectivity with your ScaleIO MDMs. Next thing would be to go online and create a GUID. And the third is to go about running the command to connect the SDC with the two MDMs that we have in our ScaleIO system. Let's go ahead and do that. So the first thing is I'm going to check connectivity on my system. So I'm going to ping from VMK2 to one set of IP. Looks okay. And I'm going to ping from VMK1 good. And you can see, if I'm going to go back to my ESX, you can see I have those VMK1 and VMK2. VMK2 is 834, and then we have VMK1 is 634, 192, 168, 634. So you can see that I have two 10 gig networks which I want to connect to the ScaleIO system. So I checked, and that's one of the most important things, is to actually check connectivity. Second thing you want to do is you want to go online, and online you want to create a new GUID. You want to copy this new GUID and you want to put it in a command that looks like that. So let's go ahead and do that. So I copy this command and I make sure to put the GUID, as you can see here, and the IP addresses of the MDMs. Now in other cases you may have a VIP IP. I just didn't configure a VIP IP for my MDMs, but you definitely want to do it in production. You want to have a VIP ID, a VIP IP, which means you're going to have just one or two IPs here for more than maybe 6 or 5 IP addresses of MDMs. Okay? Cool. So this is it. We have connected or registered. 2 more commands to do, wouldn't hurt. The following command. And of course you want to load the SDC module, so that would be this command. And now we're going to check if the SDC module is running. This is it. So here we go. We checked out, we made sure basically to load the CINI, the SDC. We ran this command, and then basically we ran that command. We checked for connectivity. So here goes. This is the way to connect basically an ESX SDC to a ScaleIO system. Of course, we do want to check that the server was actually registered. Now remember, there's no need to reboot. We have rebooted the ESX when we installed the SDC. When we are doing the registration, we didn't really need to do any reboot. I'm going to go and quickly check that the SDC is connected, and you can see that the SDC shows up as connected. Just going to call it ESX. That's it. Registering and connecting an ESX to a ScaleIO system.